This is a great way to start your journey into better balance. So the first thing that we're going to do is I like to go hip width apart. I'm going to find a focal point to focus on. So I'm going to be finding my focal point. I always put my hands on my hips. For myself, I just feel more stable that way. It's up to you. If you want to hold on to something, by all means. So I've got my focal point, and I'm just going to do a slow march. So you're going to do this about 10 times each side, typically around 30 seconds. When you start to feel really confident with this, you're going to try it with your eyes closed. So this might not be today, it might be tomorrow or a week from now, after you've been doing this exercise for a while and feel confident. So you're going to go eventually into eyes closed. So even just doing this, the first time, just try 5 steps each side. And then you're going to see how you feel. If things like this are feeling quite easy for you, we're going to go to the next step. So next, I like to, again, hands on hips. I find my focal point, and I'm going to start lifting my leg up higher in a march. And then again, you're going to try with your eyes closed. I don't even have balance problems, and I'm going off. So again, if you need a chair, a wall, or anything, by all means use it. And then we're going to go a little bit more advanced. So when those two are starting to feel good, then what we're going to do is we're going to focus on a point. We're going to lift, and we're going to try to hold this for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to switch sides. Holding it again for 10 seconds. And then the challenge, you're going to do with your eyes closed. And even if you don't have any type of vertigo, even with your eyes closed, normally it does take a lot for your balance. So try your best. See? Even just 5 seconds to 10 seconds, you're doing great. And then we're going to switch legs. See? And then for the final one, what I like to do is we're going to go lifting up the opposite leg and raising the opposite arm. Eyes open. So as your leg comes up, arm comes up, and we're going to try to hold this 10 seconds, and then eventually you want to build yourself up, so you can do this for 30 seconds. And then you're going to switch sides. So these are great exercises for the beginners. If you are having any difficulties with proprioception or balance, or if you're noticing dizziness, these are great things to start initially with. And then we're going to work our way up. So great, best of luck to you, and we'll see you in the next video.